Today we are discussing the CCNA-based interview questions and answers for Cisco Identity Services Engine ISE. You can download the complete list of CCNA-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Identity Services Engine is: how can Cisco ISE be configured to support guest access while maintaining security standards? Your answer should be Cisco ISE provides a guest services feature. By configuring guest portals, sponsorship, and time-limited access, organizations can offer guest access while ensuring that it aligns with security policies. Our next interview question is: explain the role of Cisco ISE in the context of software defined access (SD access) and its benefits. Your answer should be Cisco ISE integrates with SD access to provide identity-based policies, allowing organizations to dynamically enforce security policies for users and devices. This integration enhances visibility, control, and automation within the network. Our next interview question is: how does Cisco ISE handle device profiling in a network with a diverse range of endpoint devices? Your answer should be Cisco ISE uses device profiling to identify and classify endpoints based on their characteristics. Profiling policies are configured to match different device types, ensuring accurate identification and enforcement of access policies. Our next interview question is: explain the role of Cisco ISE in implementing TrustSec policies for secure network access. Your answer should be Cisco ISE in conjunction with TrustSec utilizes Security Group Tags (SGT) and Security Group Access Control Lists (SGACL) for dynamic and context-aware access control. This approach enhances security by classifying and segmenting network traffic based on identity. Our next interview question is: what are the steps involved in troubleshooting authentication issues in a Cisco ISE deployment? Your answer should be troubleshooting authentication issues in Cisco ISE involves checking logs, reviewing configuration settings, verifying identity source connections, and using tools like the authentication test feature to isolate and address problems. Our next interview question is: explain the role of Cisco ISE in ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements such as GDPR or HIPAA. Your answer should be Cisco ISE logs and monitors access activities, providing data that can be used for compliance audits. It allows organizations to demonstrate adherence to regulations by tracking and reporting on user access and network events. Our next interview question is: how does Cisco ISE handle guest access in a secure and user-friendly manner? Your answer should be Cisco ISE facilitates guest access through guest portals where guests can self-register or be sponsored by an employee. Access can be time limited, and ISE ensures that guests adhere to security policies during their network uses. If you are preparing for any Cisco based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.